This is not just another KTM. This is the 2027 KTM 450 Rally Replica, and it might be the closest thing you can legally own to a real Dakar race bike. Not inspired by racing, not styled like one. This is basically the same machine KTM sends into the desert, just slightly adapted for customers. And that's what makes it so insane. Because under all that aggressive bodywork, you're getting a 450 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine, paired with a 6-speed gearbox and a hydraulic Brembo clutch. It's built to be reliable at full throttle and extreme heat across hundreds of kilometers of pure punishment. But power isn't even the most impressive part. What really sets this bike apart is its purpose. This thing carries over 34 liters of fuel, split into 3 separate tanks. Why? Because in rally racing, stopping is losing. This bike is designed to go further, longer, and harder without compromise. And then you move to the front. A full carbon fiber navigation tower, straight out of professional rally racing. Roadbook, digital navigation, everything is integrated. This isn't a weekend adventure setup. This is a competition cockpit. The chassis is just as serious. Hand-welded, hydroformed frame for the perfect balance between strength and flex. And the suspension? WP Pro components, fully adjustable, race spec, designed to handle high-speed impacts across dunes, rocks, and unpredictable terrain. This bike isn't meant to be comfortable. It's meant to be controlled while you're standing up, pushing your limits for hours at a time. Wide foot pegs, rally ergonomics, everything about it is focused on performance in extreme conditions. And if you think that's already too much, there's an even more exclusive version. The Luciano Benavides Factory Edition. Same rally weapon, but now with Red Bull KTM factory livery, carbon upgrades, Michelin rally tires with mousse inserts, and a premium race seat. You even get a VIP-style handover experience connected to KTM's rally program. This isn't just buying a bike. It's buying into the world of Dakar. And here's the catch. Only around 100 units will be produced worldwide. And just a handful of those factory editions. Price? Somewhere around $40,000. So yeah, this is not for everyone. This is for riders who don't just want to explore. They want to experience what it feels like to race across the desert at full speed. The real question is, if you had the chance, would you actually ride it? Or would it just sit in your garage as the ultimate trophy?